Calling all welders. Discover stunning wrought iron steel door designs. Many welders overlook the artistry behind wrought iron steel door designs, and that needs to change. In today's video, we unveil breathtaking ideas that can inspire your next project. Whether you're looking to enhance security, add character, or simply boost your skills, these innovative designs will elevate your craftsmanship. Join us on this journey through elegance and strength, revealing tips that will impress your clients and elevate your work. Don't miss out. Watch now to transform your perspective on wrought iron designs. Like, share, and subscribe for more welding insights.